Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Megan with Simply Megan Plans, and if you are not already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications. I post tons of videos every single day all about the Happy Planner, so if that's something that you're interested, make sure you hit that button. And we are getting quickly a lot closer to the goal of 1,000 subscribers before I post and show you guys my whole planner craft room tour. So definitely tell your friends, share the videos, do all the things so we can get closer and closer even quicker to that video. Okay, so this is those single sheet monthly grid filler paper or something like that. It has like the longest name ever, but I got mine at Michael's a while ago. But this is like one of those really hard things to find now. I guess, you know, they've been out of stock for a while or something, but I really like to use these because the blocks are so small. I like to use them as a place to jot down one thing that I'm thankful for every single day, and then just kind of like keep it in my journal. So that's what I'm going to do here. And this is for November. So these colors up here at the top just don't really go with what I want to do. So I'm going to white it out and use this Washi Book. This was from 2017. And I don't know if they make them anymore, but I always like to use them. They look like they could be stickers, but every single thing is washi, so it's pretty fun when you peel it up. So I'm just going to use this for up at the top. And the days of the week didn't, you know, it's not life or death if I don't put it on there. I just want it to be like festive, you know? Okay, and then for down here, I was gonna use some gold letters and write out daily gratitude. Now there is this open space, so I could put maybe, oh, let me get a month also. I guess I could do these. Oops. So because this is a seasonal book as well, maybe I could pull some stuff out of here, or I would love to date them with these, but that pumpkin would take up a really big part of the box. Okay, so I could do some of these, or in here, I could put start each day with a smile, because it's like gratitude, you know? Just do that. Okay, it's pretty simple. And then maybe a little bit of washi or something right here. I could do the same one up here. I don't know where I want to put this. I don't want it to go to waste, so I'll just put it to connect all the way over. Anything else? Let's see. These leaves are cute. Okay, so it's all done. Nice and quick. And this is where I put it at the beginning of my journal. And then as the month ends, like here's October, there's September, I always push it to the back. So I keep them in here. See? Okay. And the last one in here is, well, I'll have one for December and January. So 2 left. I still have a lot more like in the package, but because they're really hard to find, I feel like I should just kind of like hoard the rest and maybe think of something new for 2022. I don't know. So anyways, all right, I'm all done. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. And until then, please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.